Hey folks, one quick update about the quest system we just did is in our Wounded Man's blueprint, at the second question, which is right over here, right before we check how many potions our character has, we need to set whether or not they said yes or no. So I'm just going to move everything from the check this way, and then I'm going to add a branch, get out our quest screen, and find out if it was a yes. So if it was, then we just hook it straight into our check, just like normal. But if it's not, then we just hook it to the false. So it's a quick fix, just something I forgot to throw in there while we were actually talking, or actually doing this, but pretty quick fix, and that'll solve any issue you might have with wanting to decline, but you've got a potion and then suddenly you can't. So we'll just line all that back up, just like that, and that should be all well and good and everything you need. So, sorry about forgetting about that, so catch you later.